going on, guys? Welcome back to the video, welcome back to the channel. As you guys seen by the title and thumbnail, we're going for a drive today. I thought I'd bring it back to kind of how the YouTube videos used to be. I started off YouTube just going for drives and just showing about my car, so I thought I'd bring it back to bring some more people's attention to my channel. But anyways, guys, we're going for a drive in my Subaru WRX 2018. I'm going for a drive. I'm setting up the GoPro on the back, and I'm gonna wear a GoPro on my head, and we'll go for a little drive, maybe a couple pulls here and there, and hopefully catch the sunset before it gets down too far. One GoPro all set up. I'm gonna go get the other one, but I thought I should start the video off before we go do that. But anyways, guys, this is my car, and for you guys that are returning, you guys know what my car is, but thought I'd show any new users. Alright, guys, sun is just going down. We gotta hurry right now. We gotta go. I got one of the mounts. I got the other one. I gotta put this one on my head. Gonna turn that one on. So let's cut to some GoPro footage, and we gotta make it to that sunset spot so we can get some good pictures. She's pulling. We had to hurry. I love this car, guys. Like, you guys need to get one. This thing is so fun. It's so zippy and just amazing all around. It is awesome. I don't know what this footage is turning out like. Hopefully it's good. I have no idea. But that one, I can tell if it's going to be good or not. I set it up in the right spot. But looks like we're going to make the sunset, guys. I'm looking absolutely fantastic right now, all right? Everyone get excited. I don't even know what I'm saying. Get a quick downshift. Ooh, we picking up. Oh God. We're gonna make sunset though. I'm just hoping it's not gonna be busy like last time, because I'm on like the side of the road, kind of parked not correctly, but kind of parked correctly. So we're just going with whatever at this point. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm low-key going blind looking at that sun. That was brutal. Ooh, she's gonna love fire. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that edit. I tried to get as much as I could. As you can see, the sun is already going down. I kind of pulled off to the side of the road, a little bit more of a safer area this time. But guys, like, this car is so fun. I can't say it enough. I know I look like an idiot right now, but trust me, I'm hoping it's gonna look good for the video. If it doesn't, I'll look stupid for no reason. But guys, this car is amazing. It is one of the most aggressive sports cars you can buy that isn't like a crazy price. Like, don't get me wrong, it's not cheap. Whew, she's not cheap at all. But it is a great car. Like, just look at this thing. You can't tell me in the lighting it's not absolutely amazing. Like, it is actually perfect. So we're just enjoying it all, guys. We're gonna go for a little bit more of a drive to get some more footage for you guys. We're gonna do a big pull. We're gonna take a drive down here. We're gonna go check it all out. So come along, guys. I'm telling you, this is worth it. Yes, another pull. Here we go. Oh my God! It picks up. I swear. Woo! We're cooking. Alright, we gotta chill, we gotta chill. Oh my god, this is a big hill. Ah! Almost got there. Oh, that was fun. That was good. That was really good. Oh, that was a good one. I really did like that. I have to say that, like, driving aggressively around people is so fun. Oh my god, it is so fun. It's maybe not the best look. You may look like you don't know how to drive, but it is fun. Oh, I pulled around that guy like it was nothing. I don't even know if I dropped the gear. I think I just went. Now we're stuck behind this guy because the double yellow line. Open up real quick right here. Ah, there's a hill, there's a hill, there's a hill, there's a hill. We better not. Better not. Stuck behind a Kia Sorte or Sorta, something with an S. I don't know. I can't read. I can't type, I guess. People in the comments clowning me. Psh, whatever, guys. I'm out here living my dream. Psh, don't matter. Let's go! A little faster! Little faster! Please! Oh! Come on! Another pull, here we go. And goodbye, buddy. Goodbye. Oh! Another pull, here we go. And goodbye, buddy. Goodbye. Oh! She picks up! I feel bad for the GoPro. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but you can see it right in the corner there. Like, it makes a little noise because I think there's a little bit of a movement on it. It is, yeah, I feel bad. You guys can tell about this, but I'm filming off my phone just because it's a little easier instead of the camera right now. Alright, we switched it to sport mode. We're gonna do a big pull. Oh god. Oh my. Okay, we gotta chill, get to chill. A lot of cars, a lot of cars. Woo! Like, we are in Mexico. Guys, like, I just felt like I should have told you that. We did come again to Mexico, just to do this driving video. You know, to make it all legal and stuff. I hope that footage in the back turns out really good because the sunset and stuff with the wing could be good. I don't know. And if you guys are wondering if this thing's hurting my head, like, I swear I'm bleeding. Like, it hurts so bad. I bet you there's a mark. Is there a mark? Is there a mark? Probably is. I don't have a big forehead. What is it, 4 fingers? Yeah, what is it? Perfect's 3, weird is like 4, and 5 is next level. Mine's a 3 finger. I don't actually know, guys. What is it? Nah, she's a 4 banger. Ah! I got a 4 banger! Okay, what? This ain't a problem we should be dealing with! Woo! Oh, God! Woo! It's like pinching a nerve. God. Oh! Okay, it's good, it's good. Woo! If that doesn't get your adrenaline just rushing, I don't know what will. That is nuts. The feeling of just being tossed back in your seat is crazy. Woo! Deer! Guys, we got deer. Woo! Might be my sign to go home. Not trying to have another deer in the door situation. If you guys haven't checked out that video, go check it out right now. It's one of my older ones. Maybe not the most proper video, but at least you guys can understand why there's a dent in my door, which I'm also need to get that fixed. I got a brand new, exact same color door. Everything's perfect. It's so fun. It's so fun. Anyways, I got a brand new door sitting in my garage. I've been so lazy, I haven't put it on yet. Like, this is something I need to do, and there's no reason I haven't done it yet. So, we're doing that here soon. I don't know if I'm gonna film it. I'll definitely tell you guys about it, but I gotta get that done. But we got a lot upcoming in the future, guys. So many big plans. I'm just so excited about this. This is opening so many new doors for me. I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Like, it doesn't hurt. Click subscribe, click like. Guys, it helps me out so much. I appreciate it, and it gives me motivation to keep going. So if you guys don't mind, hit those buttons for me, because, oh, we're going to make it, and I want you guys to see the ride. Last pull, last pull. Here we go. Open it up, open it up. Oh!
A few inches later.
God, please, no! 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 Yeah, I think we're good. I thought I broke the window there for a minute, but we're good. Anyways, guys, this is gonna wrap up the video. Oh, my head hurts so bad from that thing. Oh, my hair is probably tossed too. It doesn't matter. But anyways, guys, I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe, guys. That helps me out so much. I appreciate everything you guys are doing for me. And like I said earlier in the video, like, we're going to make this thing happen. Like, you guys just stay around for the ride. Like, I promise you it's going to happen. I'm working so hard for it. And my only thing I can see in my future is becoming a YouTuber. Like, not just, I guess you can say I'm a YouTuber now, but becoming a successful one that actually, you know, you guys want to follow, you know. So I appreciate everything you guys are doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the drive. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for more videos. They're coming all the time.